Hello students, good evening. This is Gauri from Mathematics Department, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about permutation and combination. Last class we discussed about mathematical induction. So in mathematical induction we have three steps. Step 1 is P of 1 is true, and step 2 is assume that you have assume P of k is true for all k. Then we have to prove that P of k plus 1 is true. Here the permutation definition. So a permutation is an arrangement of n objects in which can be taken some or all at a time. So given by the formula npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So these are all some notes. 0 factorial value is 1. np0 is equal to 1. Similarly npn is equal to n factorial. Look at the problem. So how many different bit strings are there of length 7? So here our n value is 7. So number of bit strings of length is nothing but 7 factorial. Replace n by 7 factorial. Again 7 factorial is nothing but 7. You have to start the number 7, then go to ascending order. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. The answer is 5040. Second one, in how many ways can 6 persons occupy 3 vacant seats? So number of persons here n value is 6. Vacant seats r is equal to 3. Therefore total number of bays equal to npr, 6p3. This can be written as 6 into 5 into 4. The answer is 120. Or another formula npr, n factorial by n minus r factorial. You have to replace n by 6 and r by 3. You will get 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial. Then again 6 factorial is written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. The answer is 120. Third one, how many permutations are there in the word mi, ssi, ssi, ppi and radar? Third word is mathematical and fourth word is unusual. Here number of letters n is equal to 5. So repeated letters, that means s is repeated 4 times and p is repeated 2 times, I is repeated 4 times. Therefore the formula is numerator is nothing but n factorial. So denominator is replaced by repeated letters, that is I letter is repeated 4 times and s letter is repeated 4 times and p is repeated by 2 times. Therefore 11 factorial by 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So simplify, will get 34650. Then second option, so number of letters in mathematics word is equal to 5. Second one is radar. So here n count is 5 and repeated letters a is equal to 2 times and r is equal to 2 times. So required number of permutations 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So totally we have 30. So third letter is mathematical. Here number of letters is n is equal to 12. Repeated letters m is equal to 2 times and t is repeated 2 times and a is repeated 3 times. Required number of permutations 12 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Simplify, we will get 19958400. Then fourth case, number of letters n is equal to 7. Repeated letters u is equal to 3 times, n is equal to 1 time, s is equal to 1 times and a is equal to 1 time and similarly l is equal to 1 time. So replace in the permutation formula, we will get 840 ways. Fourth one, suppose there are 6 boys and 4 girls. Totally we have 10 members. First question is, in how many ways can sit in a row? So this is obviously given by the answer 6 factorial into 4 factorial, that is equal to 10 factorial. Then second one, in how many ways can they sit in a row if the boys and girls each sit together? So boys combination is 6 factorial, girls arrangement is 4 factorial. So they have to sit each together, that is given by the formula 2 factorial. Therefore totally we have 4 factorial into 6 factorial into 2 factorial. So third number is number of ways they can sit in a row if the girls can sit together is 7 factorial into 4 factorial. Then last case, number of seating arrangement are there, which here given by the condition no 2 girls sitting together. So that it is given by the formula 7p4 into 6 factorial. So this is again 7 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 factorial. Totally 60,000 for 1,800. Thank you, students.